Tired of typing notes slowly? Dictate directly into OneNote and capture your ideas 3 times faster. Here is how. First, make sure you are signed into your Microsoft 365 account. This is a non-negotiable step because the dictation feature in OneNote only works if you are logged in with your Microsoft subscription. If you are using the free version of OneNote, you might not see the dictate button at all, so just double-check that you are signed in before we go any further. Alright, now that we have got that sorted, let us move on to the actual process. Open up OneNote and look at the ribbon at the top of your screen. You want to go to the Home tab. It is usually the first tab on the left. Once you are there, shift your gaze all the way to the far right side of that ribbon. You will see a button that looks like a little microphone. That is the Dictate button. Go ahead and click it. Now this is where you need to be patient for just a second. The microphone icon is going to light up and a small floating panel will appear. Wait for the microphone to activate. It might say something like listening, or the icon will turn a different color. Once that happens, you are good to go. Start speaking clearly and at a natural pace. You do not need to shout or talk like a robot. Just speak the way you normally would, and OneNote will translate your speech into text right in front of your eyes. It is honestly pretty magical the first time you see it happen. When you are done speaking, you do not need to fumble around for a button. Just click the Dictate button again, or tap the microphone icon on the floating panel to stop the recording. The system stops listening immediately. So here is the part that really makes the difference between a cool trick and an actual useful tool. Once the text appears, take a moment to glance over what was transcribed. Voice dictation is incredibly accurate these days, but it is not perfect. You might see a word that sounds like what you said but is spelled wrong, or the software might have missed an entire sentence if you mumbled. Just click into the text and edit those mistakes manually. It only takes a few seconds. And here is the really important part that most people do not know about. You do not have to manually type periods, commas, or question marks afterward. You can say them out loud as you speak. For example, if you say, "We need to finish the report period. Let us start on Monday, OK question mark." OneNote will drop those punctuation marks right in for you. It takes a little practice to get used to saying period and comma out loud, but once you build that habit, your notes come out almost perfectly formatted. Now, if you work in a multilingual environment, you will be happy to know that you can switch the dictation language. In that little floating dictation panel, there is a gear icon or a language selector. Just click it and pick from a long list of supported languages. It works just as well. One more thing before we wrap up. If the microphone is not turning on or it says it cannot hear you, do not panic. First, check that your computer or headset microphone is not muted. Then, make sure no other application is using the microphone, like a video call that is still running in the background. Closing those apps usually solves the problem immediately. And that is it. You have gone from slow manual typing to hands-free voice dictation in just a few clicks. I actually tested this exact process back in May of 2026, and I can tell you it works perfectly on both the desktop app and the Microsoft 365 version. Give it a shot during your next meeting or lecture. Your fingers will thank you.